90% of drivers are completely unaware of the hidden features built right into their own vehicles. Here's the catch. One of them could save you thousands in repair costs, and yet most people overlook it every single day. Before you waste money on something that could have been avoided, let's walk through 10 little-known car features that usually go unnoticed. Don't skip this. One of these tips might end up saving you a fortune. Let's get started. Secret number 10, automotive night vision. Some vehicles are fitted with night vision systems that use infrared and thermal cameras to extend your sight well beyond the reach of headlights. Active versions can pick up objects around 600 feet away, while passive setups can spot heat sources at distances of nearly 1,000 feet. You'll usually find this feature in premium cars like the Mercedes S-Class, Audi A8, or BMW X5, though aftermarket upgrades are making it increasingly accessible. Imagine catching sight of a pedestrian or wild animal in complete darkness, long before your headlights illuminate the road. That's exactly what this tech delivers. The idea originally came from military technology. Active systems work by projecting invisible infrared light, which a camera then converts into a sharp video feed. Passive systems, on the other hand, read the natural heat signatures from people, animals, and even recently running engines. That means they can reveal obstacles through fog, rain, and other conditions that defeat normal headlights. Right now, night vision is mostly limited to high-end cars, but like many automotive innovations, it's expected to filter into more mainstream vehicles in the years ahead. Secret number 9, cabin air filter replacement. If you've ever noticed your car's AC blowing weak air or giving off a musty smell, it's not just bad luck. It's often a sign your cabin air filter is clogged, and ignoring it can cost you more than you think. Modern vehicles are equipped with filters tucked behind the glove box that trap dust, pollen, and pollution before it reaches the cabin. When that filter gets dirty, airflow is restricted, forcing the blower motor and AC system to work much harder than necessary. Take Toyota and Honda, for example. These brands design their filters to be swapped out in just a few minutes with no tools required. Do it yourself, and it'll cost you about $20. Skip it or let a shop handle it, and you could be paying $80 to $100 every time. Or worse, shorten the lifespan of your entire AC system. It's basically your car saying, "Help me breathe easier now, or you'll be paying big later." And this isn't just a gimmick. HVAC repairs are among the most expensive maintenance costs drivers face, with replacements sometimes running over $1,000, all because a $20 filter was neglected. On long commutes, road trips, or city drives, clean airflow matters for both your comfort and your wallet. That's why this simple trick is a real money saver. So the next time you're in the auto parts aisle, don't skip the cabin filter. It's looking out for your car's health and your bank account. Secret number 8, engine oil life monitor. If you've ever seen a small oil can light flash on your dashboard, it's not always telling you the oil is empty. In many modern cars, that symbol is part of an engine oil life monitoring system designed to save you money and extend the life of your engine. Unlike the old days when everyone just changed oil every 3,000 miles, today's systems track real driving conditions. Things like engine temperature, trips in stop-and-go traffic, or long highway drives. Based on that data, your car calculates exactly when the oil really needs to be replaced. Take GM and Ford, for example. Their vehicles display a percentage of oil life remaining right on the dash. When it gets low, you'll see a clear reminder to change it. No guesswork, no wasting money on unnecessary oil changes. It's basically your car saying, "Don't spend $70 before you have to. I'll let you know when it's time." And this isn't just a convenience. According to the American Automobile Association, stretching oil beyond its life can reduce fuel efficiency and even cause engine wear that leads to repairs costing thousands. Following the monitor's alerts keeps your engine protected while preventing you from over-servicing. On long trips or daily commutes, this little system does more than remind you. It helps your car last longer and your wallet stay heavier. So next time the oil light comes on, remember, it's not just a warning, it's your car giving you the green light to save smart. Secret number 7, coolant level warning. If you've ever noticed a little thermometer icon pop up on your dashboard, it's not just there to scare you. In many cars, that symbol is part of a coolant level or temperature warning system designed to save your engine and your wallet. Modern vehicles constantly monitor coolant flow and engine heat. If the system detects low fluid or abnormal temperatures, it warns you early so you can top up or get service before things get serious. Take BMW and Volkswagen, for example. Their cars have sensors inside the coolant reservoir that trigger a clear warning message on the dash. Ignore it, and your engine could overheat, warping the cylinder head, or even blowing the gasket, repairs that easily run into the thousands. It's basically your car saying, add $15 worth of coolant now, or pay $2,000 later. And this isn't a gimmick. The U.S. Department of Transportation notes that engine overheating is one of the leading causes of roadside breakdowns. A simple coolant top-up keeps your car running cooler, prevents corrosion in the system, and helps the engine last years longer. So the next time that little thermometer lights up, don't brush it off. It's your car's way of protecting itself and your bank account. Secret number 6, speed-sensing door locks. If you've ever noticed your doors locking by themselves once you start driving, that's not a glitch. It's a built-in safety feature called speed-sensing door locks. Modern cars automatically engage the locks once you hit a certain speed, usually around 10 to 15 miles per hour. The idea is simple. Prevent anyone from opening the doors from the outside when you're stopped in traffic, and reduce the risk of doors flying open in case of a sudden stop or accident. Take Hyundai and Kia, for example. Many of their models let you adjust or disable this feature in the settings menu, but most drivers never even realize it exists. Luxury brands like Lexus and Mercedes even let you customize at which speed the doors lock. It's basically your car saying, "Don't worry, I'll handle security for you." And this isn't just about peace of mind. According to insurance data, vehicles with automatic door locks are less likely to be stolen or involved in opportunistic break-ins. That means better long-term safety for your passengers, and in some cases, even lower insurance premiums. So the next time you hear that faint click when you start moving, don't ignore it. It's your car quietly protecting both your wallet and your safety. Secret number 5, hidden tire direction arrows. Ever notice tiny arrows or rotation marks on the side of your tires? They're not just random symbol, they show you the correct rolling direction. Why does it matter? Directional tires are designed to grip better and channel water away in rain. But if they're mounted the wrong way, they wear out faster, get louder, and lose traction, which can cost you big and premature replacements. Brands like Michelin and Goodyear mark these arrows clearly, yet many drivers and even some shops overlook them. Checking this yourself takes seconds, but can extend tire life by thousands of miles. It's basically your car saying, "Point me the right way, and I'll last longer and keep you safer." A tiny detail most people ignore, but it can save you money on tires and give you more control on wet roads. Secret number 4, rear defogger equals side mirror heater. Most drivers think the rear defogger button only clears the back window, but in many cars, pressing it also activates heating elements in the side mirrors. That means faster visibility on rainy mornings, frosty nights, or when your mirrors fog up in humid weather. Clear mirrors don't just improve safety, they also save you from constantly wiping them down, which can scratch the glass over time. Using this feature regularly helps you drive safer in bad weather and extends the life of your mirrors by preventing wear and tear from manual cleaning. Secret number 3, folding side mirrors. Many modern cars have a hidden trick with their side mirrors. They can fold automatically when you lock the car. In tight city streets or crowded parking lots, this prevents mirrors from being hit or broken. On some models like BMW, Toyota, and Nissan, you can even set it up in the menu so the mirrors fold every time you lock the doors. It's a simple feature, but it protects expensive mirror housings that can cost $300 plus each to replace, while also making your car slimmer and easier to park in narrow spaces. Secret number 2, adjustable cruise control. Most people know about cruise control, but many modern cars also hide a speed limiter function. Instead of just holding your speed, it lets you set a maximum speed your car won't exceed, even if you push the gas pedal. This is incredibly useful in cities with speed cameras, school zones, or long stretches of road with strict limits. For example, in many Mercedes, Ford, and Renault models, you can activate it from the same stalk or steering wheel controls used for cruise control. The best part? It helps you avoid costly speeding tickets and saves wear on your brakes by keeping your speed consistent. A feature built for safety, but also one that can save you hundreds in fines. Secret number 1, wheel lug nut retightening. After changing a tire or having work done on your wheels, most drivers think the job is finished. But here's the hidden tip. You should always recheck and retighten your wheel bolts or lug nuts after about 50 to 100 kilometers of driving. Why? Because as the car moves, vibrations and heat can cause freshly installed wheels to settle, loosening the bolt slightly. If left unchecked, that tiny gap can lead to uneven wear, vibration, or in the worst case, a wheel coming off at speed. Manufacturers like BMW, VW, and Toyota even recommend this step in the owner's manual, but many people never bother. Taking 5 minutes to check with a torque wrench can save you from dangerous situations and avoid costly suspension or hub damage down the line. It's a simple habit that extends the life of your wheels, keeps your ride smoother, and most importantly, keeps you safe. Be honest, how many of these were new to you? Let us know down in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more straightforward car advice without the fluff. Remember, being a smart driver isn't just about how you handle the wheel. It's about knowing the little things most people overlook. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.